Back again today at AUTOID, and today we've got a nice little project in, to be honest. It is Kyle from 7 Days. I'll put his @ down below. He has got a pretty much stock Supra, as you can see. It's on lowering springs and wheels, and he's brought it to us because we're going to be putting the full kit on, pretty much the same as what I've got on, and then we're going to be doing a nice little reveal shoot and all that stuff. So I'm going to take you on a journey of what we're going to be doing today with this car. So as I said, at the moment the car is running some Ferrari alloys, which do look nice. The back's quite concave. And the most important mod that you can do for your Supra, and that is upgrading this awful steering wheel. So as you can hear, the car sounds pretty tasty, but now it's time to give it a little bit of extra spice with the looks. In this video, pretty much going to be showing you how to take a pretty much stock Supra to a nice Supra. Get it looking nice, because standard they don't look great. So that's our job, to make them look great. And you're here with me, and I'm going to show you how to make it look great. And Kai in there is going to show you how to make it look great. What are you going to do, Kai?
We're just going to show them how to make it look great.
Alright. Starting it with the steering wheel. So we're going to be fitting a OHD carbon bottom, carbon flat top with white stripe, white stitching, Alcantara steering wheel to replace the horrible Supra steering wheel. Alongside that, we're going to be running some forged carbon armour speed pedals, which you literally just stick over the standard pedals, really easy to fit. And after that, we're going to be fitting this 4-piece front carbon splitter as well. So let's get started. Kai, you ready, bro?
Ready, bro.
Let's get started then. Bring the car in. So Kai, do you want good news or bad news, mate?
What's the bad news?
You want bad news, yeah?
Yeah.
If you get out of the car, then you'll be able to tell. So, Kai's car is so low that it just about clears the ramp without the side skirts we're about to put on. So, unfortunately, Kai, we ain't going to be able to use the ramp with this car.
Yeah, no, it should be right.
Yeah, we'll be alright.
We'll be alright.
You'll be alright.
We'll be alright.
First thing first, whenever you're doing a steering wheel, make sure you pop the negative terminal off the battery, because the last thing you want is an airbag going off in your face. And then you just want to undo that big boy bolt in there. Old steering wheel off. Now I've got to transfer all of these bits onto the new steering wheel. But straight away you can see how much better this is. It's a lot thicker and grippier. This one's skinny as hell. Then obviously the armour speed pedals just stick on as well afterwards. Inside there is your vibrator. Car's being cheeky, but it actually is a vibrator because it's part of an A90 Supra, so it will vibrate when you go out lane. It will vibrate. Pop the clips back in like Kyle's doing now, and then tighten the wheel up as well. So the steering wheel's now fitted, so are the pedals. On to the next bit now, Kai.
Yeah.
What's next? So now we're going to be fitting the carbon fibre performance 4-piece front splitter on the Supra now. Car's just freshly prepped it with a little bit of 3M, some bits 3M, and the rest of it all just bolts in. So the front splitter is now fitted. Currently got a little bit of tape on it because just some bonding needs to seal a little bit. But already, even though the car's up in the sky, when this car's on the floor it's going to be stupidly low. He's probably going to wreck it as he comes out. We have to make sure that he buys an A6 lip protection kit, because he literally will take that off coming out of here. Side skirt time, baby. Let's have a look at these side skirts. So these are our Supra carbon fibre side skirts. These do drop quite a bit, so I think he is going to have issues because the car is stupidly low. But let's get them on now. Nice easy install with these, literally just bolt straight in. So Kai's coming with the quick tips for fitting side skirts. Use a little box to sit one side of the side skirt on whilst you line it up. We had to lower it down onto a bunch of foam because the car was so low we couldn't get the jack out. So the car is already coming together, to be honest. It's ridiculously low. Like, look at my foot. My foot just about gets underneath it. And here, just about. Guys started attacking the wing mirrors, and the wing will be getting bolted on tomorrow. Steering wheel fitted, looks 16 billion times better. Well, to be fair, I think that'll do us today.
I think that's it, mate.
This car is having a carbon wing fitted with us as well, but the wing is currently in the paint shop because the winglets is having body match colour wise, and the paint shop, which is Extreme Customs, they're just up the road. I'll be popping over there tomorrow and filming the rest of it. I'll catch you guys back tomorrow and I'll keep you updated what's going on. Back again today, just dropped the car off at Extreme. Miles has just detailed the Supra. I'm going to run up there now, film some cinematics of them fitting the wing. They've painted the winglets, body match the colours. So I'm going to pop over now and see what's going on.
So, this shit crazy.
I love you, Poppy.
So the wing is now on.
Very nice.
It looks 10 times better of a wing. They literally need a wing, to be honest. Standard, they just look too bold.
No, it belongs.
It looks like a bald man. Yeah, it should literally.
It should have one in factory.
Yeah. Carbon sides, paint match these, carbon fin across the top. Oh, Kyle's car is now finished. What do you think, Kyle?
Yeah, sick.
It's a little bit better, isn't it? Just a little touch better. I've done to it. As you've seen the whole build of it, he's got wing, carbon fibre, paint match sides, the AUTOID side skirts, TRE pre-pro carbon fibre wing mirrors, and carbon fibre front splitter. And we also whacked some spacers on that he brought down, so he's actually got nice fitment now. Get some cinematics now, just to show off all the parts. So that is today's video over. If you enjoyed this, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, get involved because we're going to be doing a load more builds. All the photos that I take will be on my Instagram, R23, and AUTOID, and Carl's from 7 Days Performance. I'll speak to you guys soon.